Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Zoho form to your TouchState digital guidebook using custom elements. For this example, I'm going to embed a cleaning request form that guests can use to request additional cleaning services or let me know about a cleaning issue they have spotted. So I'm going to add this to the About the Accommodation category. I click Expand here and I'm going to add a new subcategory. I'm going to create my own and call this Cleaning Request. Great. I click Expand here to add a topic where I can drop in the Zoho form. Create my own topic, and I'm going to call this Cleaning Request. Great. So I'm going to add a little bit of text to let guests know what this form is all about, to show them that they can add an additional cleaning service if they're staying for more than a week, or if they've spotted something that needs a bit of a tidy up, we'll send over a member of the team. So now that's done, I'm going to add the custom element. I go here to Custom Elements. This opens the Insert Custom Element, and I will click Add New Element. Great. So first, I need to choose which custom element type I want to add. Go to the drop down here, and as I've already mentioned, I want to add a Zoho form. So I choose Zoho Form. This automatically creates an element code name. I'm going to adapt this slightly so I know which form this is referring to, Zoho Form Cleaning. Now I need to go into my Zoho form and grab the embed code. So I'm going to nip over to Zoho Forms and my cleaning request form. I'm going to go to Share. Then I click on Embed, and this is the embed code that I need. So I'm going to highlight this, copy it, and then go back into Content Hub and paste this in here. Wonderful. Now, you can see that a standard element height has already been populated for me. This sets the height that the form will appear at in your guide in the guest view. For now, I'm going to leave this as a standard, but I can come back anytime and change this. So now I click Save. You can see my element, the Zoho form cleaning, is populated there, and I'll click Insert to add it to this topic. Great. And now you can see it looks just like a regular field code. Now there's nothing else I have to do except choose which topic, which guide rather, that this is going to be viewable in. So I want this to go to my Casa Jane property, so I choose my Casa Jane tag and I click Submit. Fab. Now let's see what that looks like in the guest view. I go to Preview Guides, Casa Jane. This opens up the guest view of my guidebook. I click on Get Started. I'm going to scroll down to the About the Accommodation. We can see my cleaning request is there, and now we can see my form. Wonderful. And that's it. This is just one example of how you can use a Zoho form to set up a cleaning request or request any other type of data from those folks who are using your guidebook.